Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn on fingerprint and Face ID login on the ADCB app. So if you want to log in faster without typing your password every time, just follow along. First, open the ADCB app on your phone and log in using your username and password. Next, tap on the menu or profile section inside the app. After that, go to settings. Now look for security, login settings or biometric login option. And then enable fingerprint login on Android or Face ID login on iPhone. Your phone may ask you to confirm your fingerprint or Face ID to activate this feature. After enabling it, log out of the ADCB app and try logging in again using your fingerprint or Face ID. And if the option is not available, make sure your phone has fingerprint or Face ID set up first. You should also update the ADCB app to the latest version from the App Store. So that was how to turn on fingerprint and Face ID login on the ADCB app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.